Hi, welcome to my channel, The Last Hop. My name is Makita, and on this channel, we don't just talk about networking, we actually build it. I focus on real world configurations and troubleshooting that you won't just find in any textbook. I'm here to simplify the complex and to fix the broke. So I hope you enjoy my channel, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing inter VLAN routing. So I have here um, a router on a stick, which is a router, a layer 2 switch, and connected to the PCs, to the ports. Over here I have an SVI, which is a layer 3 switch, and I will be showing you guys how to configure both today. So basically, what is VLAN? VLAN is a way to create separate logical networks on the same physical switches. It basically grouped these devices as if they were on different switches. And it works by using ports to create broadcast domains to isolate the traffic. It's very important, for security reasons to reduce the broadcast traffic. And also, it allows grouping users. You could put here in VLAN 10 sales, and then VLAN 20 can be finance and so forth. Also, we'll be using subnet and to use the IP addressing to define the network segments so it can control the traffic. And this is important because you need the routers. So this is our router for the route on the switch, and this will be acting as our router for the SVI. And you need the router in order to route the traffic between the different VLANs and their subnets. So yeah, that's what we have here today, and let's get to it. So we'll start with the layer 3. The layer 2 switch, or the route on the stick to your left. And we're gonna go into the command line. Oh, my computer is not responding. Okay, there it goes. And let's enable, and then go to configure terminal. From here, we'll be placing the ports into access ports. We'll make these access ports, and also we'll put them in their respective VLANs. So, and I have them fast Ethernet 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for the first one here, I will do it in a range, just so I could do them together to save time. And we'll do a switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 10. Okay. Next we'll do VLAN 20. So access VLAN 20 does not exist. Creating VLAN 20. Oh, I guess because I didn't create the VLANs first, so it's creating the VLANs now. I didn't see that for the first one. So let's exit and do. I'm sorry, that should be a T. And to interface info. Okay. Now we do a show VLAN. We see we have VLAN 10, 20, and 30. And we have, let me make this bigger. PC 1 and 2, iron 10, 3 and 4, iron 20 and 30. Okay. Now from here, we already in configure. We want to go to the gigabit port and to allow we have to change it to a trunk mode so we can allow the VLANs to pass through to the router. So, terminal. And then we'll do what's that interface gigabit 0, 1. And we'll do a switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk. Allow. And we do VLAN 10, 20, and 30. We could do exit. And I could do a show interface trunk. Well, I guess I can't show it on here. Okay, so the switch is configured. Next, we just have to configure the router. As you can see, it's still down because we have to bring up the interface here on the router. And we'll say no. Enable. T. And then we'll say interface gigabit Ethernet. That's 0, 0. And we'll do a no shutdown. Okay, now that's up. As we can see, exit out of here. And now we're going to create the sub interfaces. So we'll do interface gig 0, 0, 0. And then we'll do a .10. Ooh, excuse me. And the .10 will be for the VLAN 10. So this creates the sub interface. It's like a logical domain for the physical router. It allows the same interface to handle the multiple VLANs or the networks. And from here we do an encapsulation. And we'll do a .1.q and 10. Now we'll give it an IP address. And we'll give it 172. .16.10.1, because this will be the default gateway. I mean, yeah, the default gateway for VLAN 10, and the subnet mask will be 255 to 24 255 255.0. Okay, so now we'll do the same thing for VLAN 20 and 30. So interface O dot O, and should be dot 20. Okay, and then we do encapsulation dot 1Q, oops, 20, and give this an IP address of 172.16.20.1. Zero. Okay. And now we'll do the same thing for VLAN 30. It'll be 172.16.30.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 for the /24 and enter. And now we configured everything on the router. The next thing we could do is configure the PCs, give them a static route. I'm sorry, do it statically configure the PCs. Line 72.16.10. We'll make this one .2. Subnet mask 255.0. 72.16.10. We'll give it the what we put on the router for the default gateway. That'll be it. Okay, so that's PC 1. Every time I use this screen recording, this computer goes slow. I guess because I didn't download the software, and I'm doing it from the browser today. So 172.116.20. No, this is .10. Excuse me. .10.3. It should be 255. Okay, looks good. Now on the VLAN 20. Oh, dot 20, dot 2. Okay, and VLAN 30. And default gateway 172.16.30.1. Okay, so now that that's configured, let's go into simulation mode and let's see how it works. I'm gonna bring this out here. Okay, so let's ping another PC in a different VLAN. Oh, packet tracer. Okay. So first, let's ping the PC in the same VLAN, and we'll do ping 172.1.10. I think this is 2, so that's dot 3. Okay, and we'll press play. We come here to watch it. Okay, you see, because it's in the same VLAN, the message don't have to go to the router. Well, the first one is ARP, but it don't have to go to the router. It could go straight to his VLAN, to his neighbor. See, there you go. And that's the ping. I don't know what's that. Okay. Now let's go back. Okay, the pings were successful. Now we're gonna ping in a different VLAN, and we can see how the route on the stick plays a role. So now let's ping VLAN 30, the PC in VLAN 30. Ping 172.16.30.2. Okay, let's watch. Oh, the ARP cache is done. And you see the message? It has to go to the router, then come down to the switch. So the router is telling it where to go. Have to go through the router to go back up to send a message back. And that's the route on the stick. Now we'll configure it on the SVI, which is the switch virtual interface. Okay. So we'll go here. Come on, open up um packet tracer is not responding. There you go. Okay, that's good. Put no, enable, T. Okay, so what's the name? Let's give it a host name. And we could call it, well, we don't have to name it. But we could, the first thing we want to do is IP routing. This enables the routing on the layer 3 switch. So if you don't do this command, this is very important. Your switch won't be able to route. And then from here, we create a VLAN. So we'll do VLAN 10. We could give it a name. We can say HR. Let me do VLAN 20. Name it sales. VLAN 30. And we can name it IT. Okay, guys, and from here, now we want to go into the interface and give it a IP. So let's go back, and we're going to interface VLAN 10. And you can see that VLAN 10 is changed the status to up, or the state to up, and now we give it an IP address. So I'm gonna say my IP address is okay 192. Okay, so we'll give it an IP address of 192.168.10, and it'd be a .1 because this be to the gateway, and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, next we'll do interface VLAN 20. So we do VLAN 20 is up, give it an IP address 192.168.20.1 255 subnet mask. And last but not least, let's do VLAN 30. So interface VLAN 30. What's up? IP address 192.168.30.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, now that that's done, let's take and make the access ports which the end devices are connected to. And for that, we'll do interface, and that be FA01. And we'll do a switch port mode access. Very easy, guys. Same thing we did. And then we'll do switch port access VLAN 10. Okay. Now we'll do interface past Ethernet 02. And switchboard mode access. Now switchboard access VLAN 20. Okay, last but not least, we do F03. Switchboard mode access. Switchboard access VLAN 30. Okay, now that that's configured, only thing left is to go into the PCs and configure the PCs. So make sure we have everything. Yep, 1, 2, and 3. We also go just do a show run just to see the configurations we've done. We give it an IP routing. Okay, 10. Okay, gave him the default gateway. Now go into the PC and configure the PCs. So this is 192.168.10.2. Let me just copy this. So net. So that's 10.1. Okay. To the next PC. Packet tracer is not responding. It keep freezing on me. Sorry, you guys. Okay, here it is. This is 20. That one. Oops. Too many ones. Okay. Last but not least, VLAN 30. I guess it's the IT department. Oh, and the computer froze. We almost done here. I'm sorry about this. Okay. This will be 30.2. And this would be 30.1. Okay, now that's configured. Let's ping and see if we're in business. So I'm on PC 6. That's in VLAN 30. We'll ping PC in the VLAN. We'll ping both the PCs. Only did 2. So ping 192.168. 10 dot 2. First one failed for ARP and pings are successful. And next we'll do the VLAN 20. Okay, guys, that's all we have for today. We successfully configured the route on a stick and the SVI. I hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for watching. Bye.